All right, well, it's Tuesday, and you might be able to hear my coffee machine behind me. It's making a lot of noise, so I apologize for that in advance. But today's going to be a lighter day than usual because you finished your science book yesterday. So I'm going to have to find you some more science by tomorrow. But today there's going to be no science, so you only have three assignments. You're going to have this assignment: the future of space exploration could see humans on Mars, alien planets. It's a news article. And because it's a news article, you are going to comprehension check uh, and analyze the text. All right, do those two things with it. That'll give a little bit extra time to what you're doing today because this is kind of a short article. I think it's only 4 minutes to actually read it. So do a couple extra things here: comprehension check, analyze the text, and math, of course. Finish up the scale drawings. Okay, I told you to do about half yesterday and half today. So go ahead and finish that up. For social studies, yesterday you did the American, what was it? The French and Indian War. Is that what it was? Today, yeah, the French and Indian War. Today we're going to jump ahead to the next chapter, which is a crisis over taxes. Nobody likes taxes. So that's going to start on page 142 and read through that, answer the review questions at the end, and that'll be the day. The main thing is that we have our Zoom meeting today at 3:30. I just want to check in with you, catch up, see if you have anything you haven't turned in that you want to, have a little bit of help with, or know what you need to turn in, and just get the ball rolling on that because we really only have, counting this week, 3 more weeks of this quarter. So I want to make sure that we go out strong and we all know what's going on. So make sure you're here at 3:30, and I will see you then. You guys have a great day.